sternum. Here it is clavicle, that is clavicle. First rib, second, third, fourth, fifth. How many ribs attach directly to sternum?
7. 4, 7.
That is seventh. Eighth, ninth, 10th rib.
False rib.
This is clavicle and this is mid-clavicular line. Mid-clavicular line. And mid-clavicular line, here it is anterior axillary line and here it is mid-axillary line. And if we speak about borders of the liver, superior border of the liver starts in 10th intercostal space or near the inferior border of the 10th rib. And from this place, first, second, third, fourth, from this place, superior border of the liver goes upward to the level of 4th intercostal space in mid-clavicular line on the right side. This is 4th rib, here it is 5th rib, and this is 7th rib. And this line is mid-clavicular line, and between sternum and mid-clavicular line we have parasternal. This is parasternal line. And this is parasternal line, this is 5th rib, and this one is 5th intercostal space. And superior, and that is a base, here it is base of xiphoid process, that is processus xiphoidus. And superior of the border of the liver, it passes above of base of the xiphoid process and finishes in 5th left intercostal space in parasternal line. Clear it is? And again, start from 10th intercostal space on the right side in mid-axillary line, linea axillaris media, goes upward to the level of 4th intercostal space in mid-clavicular line on the right side, passes at the base of xiphoid process and finishes in 5th left intercostal space in parasternal line. Now, inferior border of the liver. It passes along of the cartilage of the 10th rib and then cut this cartilage or cartilage of the 10th or cartilage of the 9th rib, passes below of the xiphoid process and finish at the same point in 5th left intercostal space. Clear? That is superior border of the liver, and here it is inferior border of the liver. On the right side, at the level of cartilage of the 10th or 9th rib, and on the here it is 5th, 6th, and 7th. This is cartilage of the 7th left rib and finished at 5th intercostal space on the left side in parasternal line. That is borders skeletotopy of liver, and holotopy, that is its presence in right hypochondric region and in epigastric region. Syntopy superiorly diaphragm, inferiorly here it is gallbladder, here it is what?
Stomach.
Upper superior part of duodenum. And on the left side, here it is spleen, not far from the left lobe of the liver. That is not necessary to draw, but you need to answer topography of liver. And now diagram what you need to draw. That is pathway of bile. I think you know that liver, that is digestive gland, it's produced bile, and bile from liver passes through right and left hepatic ducts. Right and left hepatic duct, they join together and forms common hepatic duct. Here it is gallbladder, and duct of the gallbladder, that is cystic duct. Cystic duct joined with common hepatic duct, and from this place start common bile duct. ductus hepaticus, ductus haledachus, common bile
Commonest.
duct, that is ductus haledachus, and ductus haledachus joined together with pancreatic duct, ductus pancreaticus, and together they forms, help me,
Ampulla.
ampulla
Pancreatica.
hepatopancreatica, which opens where?
Duodenum. Papilla duodenum major.
Major in pars descendens duodeni. That is duodenum, here it is, and that is papilla duodeni major. I put number 1 right hepatic duct, 2 left hepatic duct, 3 common hepatic, number 4 gallbladder, vesica falae in Latin gallbladder, 5 cystic duct, 6 common bile
Bile
duct,
duct,
ductus haledachus, 7 ductus
Pancreatic duct,
pancreaticus, 8 ampulla
Hepatopancreatica.
hepatopancreatica,
Papilla duodenum major.
major, and number 10
Duodenum.
Clear? This diagram you need to draw next time. Now what we can see in preparation. Well, what is it? That is diaphragm. Diaphragm. And if we move diaphragm, we can see this is diaphragmatic surface of the liver. Here we can see right and left lobes and border between them, this ligament. That is peritoneum, which starts from diaphragm and continues to liver. And name of this ligament is falciform ligament, ligamentum falciformis hepatis. On the left side from this ligament, left lobe, and on the right side, right lobe. This ligament, which is also peritoneum, which starts from diaphragm and goes to liver, that is coronary ligament, ligamentum coronarium hepatis here, and ligamentum coronarium here. And coronary ligament finish with triangular. This lateral side of coronary ligament is triangular ligament, ligamentum triangulare hepatis. That is on the right side, and the same ligament we have on the left side. That is why here we can see falciform ligament between right and left lobes, and on posterior border we have coronary ligament and 2 triangular, right and left triangular. Next is inferior surface. Here it is visceral surface of the liver, visceral surface, facies visceralis. And on visceral surface we can see, look here, this ligament that is round ligament of the liver, ligamentum teres hepatis, and this place where round ligament passes, that is fissura ligamenti terecis. Fissure of the round ligament, fissura ligamenti terecis. And posteriorly this ligament, this connective tissue, that is venous ligament, ligamentum venosum. And this fissura is fissura ligamenti venosi. And these 2 fissura ligamenti terecis and fissura ligamenti venosi, that is a border between left lobe and right lobe. In diaphragmatic surface, if you remember, falciform ligament, and in visceral surface, fissura ligamenti terecis and fissura ligamenti venosi between left and right lobe. Now, right lobe on visceral surface has 2 smaller lobes. This is quadrate lobe, lobus quadratus, and this one is caudate lobe, lobus caudatus. Quadrate lobe. This lobe between, this is, look here, this is gallbladder, that is vesica falae, gallbladder. And this fossa where gallbladder take place, that is fossa vesica falae, fossa vesica falae. And this fossa, between fossa vesica falae, between fissura ligamenti terecis, and this place that is porta hepatis, porta place where large vessels and bile duct passes, that is common hepatic duct, This is proper hepatic artery, and this one is portal vein. Duct, common hepatic duct, this is portal vein and proper hepatic artery in porta hepatis. And between them, between fossa vesicephalia, fissura ligamenti tertius, and porta hepatis, that is quadrate lobe, lobus quadratus. Then this vessel, that is inferior vena cava inferior, and place where vena cava inferior passes, this place, that is sulcus vena cava. Sulcus vena cava on the right side, fissura ligamenti venosi on the left side, and porta hepatis in front. And this place, that is caudate lobe, lobus caudatus. Is it clear? In prep, just a moment. I already said about gallbladder. Gallbladder has fundus of the gallbladder, fundus vesicephalia, body, corpus vesicephalia, neck, column vesicephalia, and it continues into cystic duct. This is cystic duct. This is common hepatic duct, and from this place continues common bile duct, ductus haledachus. That is beginning of ductus haledachus, which continues to duodenum. That is all. Here and here, pancreas. We already said that it is tail, body, and head. Head fused with duodenum. And in duodenum, sometimes it is possible to see papilla duodeni major. It is not very clear here. Not very clear to see. Maybe. No, I have not found papilla duodeni major. Maybe next time on another preparate. We can see a lot of lobules. They are lobuli pancreatis. Pancreas has extraperitoneal position. Only one wall of the pancreas supplies with peritoneum. And two ducts. Main duct, ductus pancreaticus, together with ductus haledachus, makes ampule. Ampulla hepatopancreatica and opens in greater papilla. And additional duct, ductus pancreaticus accessorius, opens in lesser papillae. Let's go with me. Come with me.